Hi there, Trish here with Fat Lady Crochet. Welcome to the studio. Hope you're having a good day. Glad it's Friday and just have a couple of updates for you today. If you are an email subscriber, please check your inbox. I've just sent out a new newsletter, and in that newsletter is a special perk for you. So if you haven't bought the Mankini Gnome and want to buy the Mankini Gnome, go for it because you can also get the Valentine's outfits pack for half off, and that's good until Sunday. So just double check your emails. Again, if you're an email subscriber, you'll find a little newsletter in there. As well, in that newsletter, I talk about a new page on my website, which is called Stitched by You. And I am posting pictures of your Fat Lady Crochet Makes. And you have been very busy with the long dogs. I have received so many photos of your long dogs, and I have to I'm so thrilled about that actually because you know that I love that long dog, and that was a super fun pattern to make and then create those funny little outfits, and I've got more coming. So I'm so happy to see that you're enjoying that pattern as well and that pattern pack. So that's super fun. Um, so check that out. That's on the website. Again, it's called Stitched by You. It's a separate page on the site, fatladycrochet.ca. And if you would like me to include your pictures, you can DM me in the socials or you can send me an email with your photos to fatladycrochet@gmail.com. If you have purchased the Harold and the Purple Crayon pattern from me, please also check your inbox because you will have received an update on that pattern. That pattern's been published since I think 2023, and someone just messaged me today to ask a question about a typo. The typo was a small one, but it will make things easier if you're starting to do those little socks at the end of Harold's pajamas. So check your inbox. It has been updated as well to the new format to sort of reflect our new branding, and I think it's quite a nice cleaner looking document. So please double check that. And if you haven't ever bought the Harold and the Purple Crayon pattern, check it out. If you like classic children's books, this might be one that's good for you. This pattern is, when I designed it, I used worsted weight yarn and a size 4 hook. So it's a little bit bigger. I think he's about 7.5 inches tall. And so he's a little bit bigger than a lot of my newer ones, which tend to be smaller because of the size of the yarn that I'm using these days. So, yeah, just check that out. It's also in a pattern pack. There's a classic children's stories pattern pack that has Harold, Corduroy, Madeline. Who else is in there? Curious George, who I think we're going to do our next video tutorial on, the Man with the Yellow Hat, and Peter from the Snowy Day. So if you're looking for something, if you have grandkids or if you know somebody who teaches in a preschool or something like that, this is the pack for you because these books are the classic children's books. And I know that because I used to teach very young children and I've taught lots of kids how to read. And those are some of the books that I used. So, or if you're a mom or a dad or a grandparent, these are also books that make wonderful bedtime rituals. So when my kids were little, we had a great big bookshelf full of wonderful books that we all really liked. It wasn't just like nonsense, like there's a lot of children's stories that are just like nobody wants to read them. The kids don't enjoy them. The parents sure don't enjoy them. So you need to have something that everybody likes. And so that's really what I was going for. And that's always kind of what I want to keep in mind when I'm writing these patterns is like, I want them to be sort of sparks for you to be able to connect with other people. I have put in a new blog as well this week, and it's all about the Mankini Gnome outfits. If you have ideas for my Mankini Gnomes going forward, please let me know. I will tell you though that next on the hook for him is a couple of leprechaun or next week. I'm hoping to get started on Grover and Cookie Monster, who I don't think are going to take too long. I'm still working on our count. He's coming along not too bad, actually. He's faster than I thought he was going to be. The trick, I think, is going to be when it's time to do his face. That the faces always take longer than the rest of them because you need to, make sure that you're placing everything in the right place. So that will take some time. Hopefully, I can get this done. Really would love to get that done today. It's not going to happen today, but that would be wonderful if it did. I will let you know. Again, if you're not signed up for the newsletter, you may want to consider doing that. Um, just because you will find out about the pattern releases first, and if there are any discounts, you guys are the ones that are gonna get them. I've been getting the snake crochet kits ready. I've been working on that. These are the kits that I do exclusively for Dinosaur Provincial Park here in Alberta, and they're a good beginner pattern, and they come with a link to the video, and inside the in the kit is everything you need to to create this rattlesnake. So they're really good. So they sell them at the gift shop at Dinosaur Provincial Park, which is also a campground, a beautiful campground. So often, I think probably what happens is people that are traveling, they are looking for maybe something to do, maybe to settle down, relax, or get the kids involved and settle down as well. So these make really really good gifts while these people are camping. So I've got an order for 30 of them, which is great, and I'm just getting them organized now. Behind me is some of the yarn that I'm using. I've already wound a whole bunch of it up already. So now I'm just waiting to get the printed copies of the pattern, and then I'll put those kits together and I'll show you what those look like. They're really nice. Well, friends, that's just a really quick update today. I hope you're doing well. Take it easy on the weekend, and we shall see you on Monday. Bye for now.